Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maggie. I'm doing advanced decor, but 9 months ago now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today's video I'm going to flip this bureau you see behind me is another free piece. I found this dresser on the side of the road for free. Looks like antique dress. I says antique because has no nails, is all wood. And let's go to see the easy makeover for profit. Let's go to start. I found this dresser on the side of the road for free. Looks like antique dresser. Lose some streams on the drawers, but looks up the edge is in very good condition. Another broke stream. Is solid wood, has no nails, that's why I say it's antique one, but has no date or stamps nowhere. It's all solid wood, has that papers to cover the drawers. That is the legs, somebody take it out the legs. But it's in pretty good shape, it's not too bad. If you follow me, usually I start to take out the hardware, but at this time I'm start to try to create a new stream. I'm trying to make a mold with kids clay that I has in hand. For my first time, I'm going to apply the primer with my spray gun. Let's see what happens. I skipped the part of paint because it's not interested and see paint over the primer, white paint over the primer is not the interest. I did 2 coats of paint. Now I'm do distressing, like dramatic distress, looks like antique one. Let's do a quick look before when I'm start with and after. I'm in love how this dresser turns out. So cleaning. I love this dramatic distress. Looks like antique one. I'm in love how this cleaning lines. I will love how this dresser turns out. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy like I did to make it, please like, share and subscribe. See you next one. Bye.